Stay in the car.
Get in the car.
Get back in the car if you want to go too.
Get in the car. No, get in the car.
Get in the car if you want to go. If you want to go too.
You're going to jail for obstruction.
Are you serious?
On 27 september 2024, a brake light violation ended with 2 people in handcuffs, neither because of the original infraction. Under Delaware versus Prowse, an observed equipment defect is a constitutionally valid stop basis. The stop itself is not the legal issue. What follows it is third-party rights at a traffic stop. City of Houston versus Hill confirmed in 1987 that confrontational speech directed at officers is protected First Amendment expression. The mother had a legal right to ask questions. What the law does not protect is converting a verbal challenge into a physical one.
First of all, you in your car. I can walk up on you. I'll walk up in the car. Ask me nicely. Ask me nicely. Okay, y'all have to get out. You can stop surrounding the first.
We were not at the workout.
You get out the street. He just told me to stay right here. On the sidewalk. Okay, ask me nicely. Ask me nicely. It's your house.
That's not a brake light, ma'am. That's not a brake light.
What's out? Your brake light. So what? So who's the sergeant? Who's the sergeant? So all of y'all now, one sergeant showed. I know she asked for a sergeant. I know for a fact. Get in the car. Get in the car. I know she asked for a sergeant because I was on the phone. So which one of y'all didn't give a sergeant?
She did not.
I was on the phone. On the street. Was you talking to her? Oh yeah, you need to get out of the road before you get in trouble too. Yeah, so what? You need to get out of the road.
We will get you a supervisor. You can go wait inside your vehicle.
I'll wait right here. Okay, I'm in the saddle.
Will you do me a huge favor? Will you do me a huge favor? Will you do me a huge favor?
Yes.
Just stay away from your door. Either get in or stay away just because I don't want cars coming up. Okay.
Okay, that's all we got. What else is there? Come on, can you tell me what happened? Tell me what happened to her. Tell me what happened. She was pulled over because of her. Why do you have her car? We're not at your apartment.
What's up? Because I seen you in that black car.
And we're not, I'm not here to argue. We're going to get our apartment. We're going to get our apartment. We're going to get our apartment. What you? Ma'am, we're going to get our sergeant. You can answer. Are y'all not retarded? I'm not yelling. I'm talking. There's cars coming by.
How about this?
What you want? See right out your apartment. Ma'am, you don't own that. That's private property. Right. In an apartment. That's not your house. In an apartment. An apartment. Right. We weren't in your apartment. We were in the complex that does not belong to you. What? Did you have something to do with her? It doesn't belong to her. It's not yours, ma'am. How many police officers did you take to pull somebody over?
We're all right together. We're detectives.
Oh, you ride D like that?
Yes, we do.
No, absolutely not.
Yes, we do.
So you ride with them everywhere you go?
He's not
I'm in the back car by myself.
Okay,
He's
so
not in our
you can pull him over? You can pull her over by yourself?
I wasn't out here.
All right, it's a waste of time.
So
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah,
Just stand by for a
y'all,
supervisor.
y'all, go ahead,
Okay.
y'all.
Because you
All right.
keep it up.
Will both y'all come here? No, will both y'all come here, please? So basically, to give my rundown of what I'm at, where I'm at.
Am I not having a problem? Do you not see this as a problem?
Can y'all both y'all come over here?
Shut your car. Go off on there.
All right, come here.
What does that mean?
Come here. All right, no, you can come here. Hey, come here. No, come here. Ma'am.
You're coming at me. That's on camera. What does that mean? Back up. Back up. Because you're coming at me. I didn't. You're coming at me. Get up.
Let's go here.
Tell her to back up.
I will.
She keeps coming up to us.
Can we
She
go
needs
in
back
between y'all's cars, please?
Tell her to back up. Do it now. If you're at me, tell her to back up.
Will y'all come to
Tell her to back up.
Will y'all come to the front of y'all's car,
Can you
please?
tell her to shut up?
Can y'all just give me a second, y'all? Give me a second. All right.
She keeps coming at us.
Come on. All right, come on. Come on, y'all. Come up here. Come holler at me. Come holler at me. All right. Okay, from my understanding, okay, I'm on patrol today, okay? These are investigators. They usually do, on certain cases, they do ride quite a few investigators in one car.
Yeah.
Okay? They performed a traffic stop on your daughter, right?
Yes.
Okay, on your daughter. Okay, that I'm not familiar
But the
with.
thing is, you can't even ask them because they want to sit here and they don't want to answer nothing.
I'm working the road, okay?
I know. I was married to a cop, so I know.
All right, they called me out here because investigators, they don't usually carry around ticket books.
So y'all gave her a ticket for
papers
lights?
and all that. I didn't. They just asked for the paper.
You know
That's all
why?
they asked,
You know
okay?
why? Because they want proof of why they stopped her.
So what I would do, all right,
She asked for a sergeant already. They did not give her
I'm not
one.
a sergeant.
I understand that. They say they're waiting on you to come bring you.
I'm an MPO.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm a little something. I'm not there
I
yet.
understand.
Okay.
But they asked for you
basically,
because they said they didn't have no tickets, and she asked right then because her dad's a police
Okay.
officer.
So that's basically what I'm doing. As far as I know, they were investigating another case.
And they won't even tell when they're at
You're
her.
referencing the apartment complex.
Yes,
over on,
right here.
Okay, that I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm totally unaware. Okay, I'm gonna tell you straight up, I was called here to bring a paper citation.
Why does it matter where he rides or whatever? That's none of their damn business.
There was questions about if somebody went on it.
I got you. So the best way to go about this, all right, is not out here, all right. So those are all investigators.
Okay.
The best way to go about it, they have Sergeant K. Rowe Jackson, okay. They have Sergeant Todd Hendricks back there in CID,
Okay, but I got a question for you.
Okay, go ahead.
If I come at you like this, are you gonna be afraid?
No.
If I come at you, why is it okay she comes at me? Why is it okay that she walked up here to us, and if I walk there, she says, you can get arrested too. I was in the middle. He asked me to move it out of the road. She goes, you had to get it here. You're going to jail.
What I will say in as non-biased as possible, I'm not going to condone anybody's behavior out here thus far, okay?
I fully get it.
Can we
I
agree
fully
on that?
yes. But
Okay.
don't surround my daughter and don't
So,
ask her. When I was
trust
on the
me.
phone, and I'm on the
Okay.
phone and I hear none of them get a
But-
sergeant. I come from Jackson and I still haven't got a sergeant out here.
Well,
30 minutes.
That's something I was also unaware of, okay? I was unaware of the notification
They
for
even
that.
They even talked to her father. He's a police officer,
Either
and
way.
they didn't do nothing about it. They're still sitting here like I mean,
What you need to do if you have any issues with that, okay?
where's the sergeant? They said they called.
I guess standing by waiting to see what
But
they're
why
on
is it
file.
okay? And I'm not trying to call it. Why is it every time a white girl and a black guy get together, there is a problem down here? I understand, but they say something every time to her with a black guy.
Every time I get
It's
pulled over,
it's
the
2020.
question of why I have a black guy in my car.
She done got pulled over like 3 times.
This is my family. Like, this is my family. Is it because we're different colors? Like, they have
Do
something to
you
say?
have, so how many times has that been?
3.
A lot. Over
3 so far.
times.
What I'm going to say in the same reference to what you're arguing with over here, you need to go to the PD. Okay, if you have any issue with anything that's been going on, any record of it, if you have anything
She
what
had
you
one
got going
pullover.
on, so what I would do is I would go to the PD, okay?
Did you show your ID when she asked you?
They identified themselves as police officers. You want to see my ID? I'll show you my ID.
Did you show my daughter when you pulled her over?
I didn't pull her over.
Are you in that car?
He's in the car behind them.
I left Jackson and y'all still haven't got a sergeant here. I was 30 minutes away and still beat your sergeant.
Hey.
Bullshit.
Bullshit.
Ma'am, our sergeant.
I need a card. They've been on the way this whole time. Can I have y'all's names and everything since y'all don't have nothing on?
I let her know all my information.
I asked for her, but I asked, can you give me a pen? How do you pull some over here and you don't have a card?
We don't always
You're
have a card.
you're not even in full clothes. Ma'am, I want to know questions, and ma'am, you have to answer them. Ma'am, you have to answer them.
Please step over there.
No, she come at me and you didn't do
I'm
nothing.
asking you to step over
She
there.
did the same thing and you didn't do
I'm
nothing.
giving you an order to step over there.
I asked her to step
Ma'am,
away from me.
Step over there.
I want y'all's information.
And we will give it to you once our sergeant comes.
When is your sergeant coming? You gotta have
Ma'am,
time.
can you step over there? That's the last time I'm gonna ask you.
I'm leaving.
Step over there.
Sir, can you get your Hold on, first of all, I didn't touch you. I didn't touch you. I didn't do nothing.
Calm down. You go too.
No, get off of me. She cannot grab me like this. She cannot grab me like this. She cannot grab me like this.
Okay, I haven't done nothing.
I'm gonna go 10-8, okay?
Bro, get somebody
trying
else
to help
out
you
here.
out.
Bro,
Get
this
out
is
of
not
car.
safe.
Get in your
This is
car.
not
Yeah,
safe.
I'm going to the police.
And you
Get
keep
it.
touching me.
Get up there. I'm mad. Stop touching me. Let go of the time. Let go of the time. I'm a respecting you. I should get off my Sorry, I'm sorry.
I don't know how they're good when I asked her multiple times to step back. And pilot is like, I'm going 10-8. Like, we did something wrong.
Let go.
The moment she advanced into the active detention zone and forced officers to split attention between 2 individuals, she crossed the obstruction threshold. Under Mississippi Code, Section 97973, obstruction requires knowingly impeding officers in the performance of official duties. That standard is met when sustained non-compliant conduct makes safe completion of the stop materially harder, not when handcuffs appear. Lawful commands and the compliance obligation. Under Terry v. Ohio, officers conducting a lawful stop have authority to control the immediate environment, including directing third parties whose presence creates a safety risk. Treating a lawful order as an invitation to argue is not a legal defense. Personal disagreement with a command does not excuse noncompliance with one otherwise lawfully issued. 14th Amendment, equal protection. Under Whren versus United States, racially selective enforcement violates equal protection, even when a facially valid violation exists. However, establishing selective enforcement requires a documented pattern, not a mid-scene assertion under pressure. An observed brake light defect provides an objective, race-neutral basis for this specific stop. That claim belongs in federal court, not in the middle of an active detention.
Our supervisor's here. Back up. Supervisor's here. She keeps getting in my damn face and they're not doing nothing about it.
What do you want with me, man?
I want to know, one, why my daughter was pulled over. Two, why they were at her apartments.
Are you part of this traffic stop?
Yes, I
You
am.
in the vehicle?
No, I was on the side.
Take her to
Okay.
95.
For what? I'm asking a question. Do you have all these undercovers?
obstructing. You're
No,
obstructing.
sir.
Stay in the
I asked
car.
a question, James.
Stay in the car.
Get in the car.
Get back in the car if you want to go too.
Ian, get in the car.
No,
Get in the car.
Get in the car if you want to go. If you want to go too.
Sir,
You're going to jail for obstruction.
are you serious?
Sir, what's in my mouth?
Get back in the car, boy. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get her in the car. Get her in the car.
Get out there.
Hey, boss man, I ain't driving. I can't go walk out and leave.
3561. Do you want to go with your mom? She's going regardless. Do you want to go with your mom?
You got some nerve talking to me. Get out
Do you want to go with your mom?
So she gets in my face and
You was about to be on your way. All this is extra. You was about to be on your way. All this is extra. Close the door. I won't have to talk to you. You pulled up on a traffic stop.
I'll get there quick.
I was asking a question, sir.
Do you have anyone that can drive you?
I was asking a question because they were at my daughter's house.
Okay.
So
You
she was
can't
asking.
pull up on a traffic stop and interfere
He was
with law
talking to
enforcement
me.
officers.
Yeah, look, it took me to get here. I come all the way from Jackson to 201 here, and you still haven't showed up.
I'm telling you, if I would have heard your daughter ask me for a cop,
She got my husband on the phone. He's a police. My ex-husband. He's a police officer.
if she said, can I have a sergeant?
So, ma'am, I promise on my life. I promise on my daddy's gas. She said, She was talking. She said, ma'am. So it was one of y'all. Can you please say I was not trying to interrupt you, but I was asking a question.
You're all up in it. How can you not be
Because my
interrupted?
daughter is scared because they're
They're on the phone with me, and all I can hear is you yelling.
They won't even give
They
their
can't
ID.
even do their job.
They won't even give their ID. You did. Yes, ma'am, you did. And you have ID on. They don't. You got this one and this one that doesn't have it.
Trying to keep the vehicle in jail.
Please, can you please stop touching me?
Please put her in the car and get her. I'm trying to clear the scene. She needs to get in the car.
Can you please?
Ma'am, it's just not. Get her in the car, please. Get her in the car. You need to leave.
Ma'am,
You need
to the
to
car.
leave.
To the car. To the car. Let's go.
Please leave.
Please leave before you go too.
Now you can smell the odor of marijuana. I'm gonna take you to the This gentleman is giving you an lawful order to leave. Now leave. Thank you. You have a good rest of your night.
And I hope you enjoy your night.
Crank up your car and leave.
Stop talking to me. And you still keep talking to me. What?
Leave.
Still talking to me. What? Can y'all step
Go.
away from my car?
Go.
Please step away from my
Go.
car. Step away from
I'm
my
gonna tell you
car.
one more time. Go.
Please, I can't move.
I'm telling you right now.
Open the door.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
I cannot move
Open
until
the
you
door.
move, sir. I cannot move.
Get out the car. You're under arrest for obstruction.
Oh, you hurt me. You get off of me. You got me for no reason. Watch this shit. You won't let me. I tried to leave and you wouldn't let me leave.
The daughter's independent legal liability under United States versus Sharpe, a traffic stop. must remain limited in scope and duration to its underlying basis. Once the break-like basis concluded, the daughter's continued presence was governed by different law. The sergeant confirmed on camera she was moments from release. What changed her status was her own subsequent conduct, refusing a direct supervisory command to leave and failing to exit the vehicle on demand. That independent conduct, not the original stop, produced her arrest. Any Section 1983 civil rights claim by the mother faces a documented record of non-compliance. A claim limited to the daughter's original stop treatment presents a narrower, but potentially more viable legal theory. The grades. The detectives and primary officers receive a B+. The stop was legally grounded. Force applied was soft. Empty hand control, proportionate to sustained non-compliance. And multiple de-escalation opportunities were extended before any physical intervention. Minor deductions for chaotic multi-officer scene management. At peak confrontation, the sergeant receives an A-. Scene assessment was immediate and accurate. His direct statement to the daughter that she was moments from release before the scene escalated was the most legally instructive exchange on camera. The mother receives a D, sustained, documented interference that ultimately produced her daughter's arrest as well as her own. No F, because no physical assault on officers occurred. The daughter receives a C-. The grade does not reflect her original stop conduct. It reflects only what the camera documents after her mother's arrest. Repeated refusal of every off-ramp available to her. One practical lesson. A traffic stop does not become more favorable because a family member arrives demanding answers. It becomes more complex, more dangerous, and more likely to end in arrest. Address grievances through formal complaint after the stop. Concludes. Here, showing up loud and advancing on officers consumed both of them. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch more engaging videos on the channel.